Hello everyone, welcome to my nail art channel. Today I am teaching you the summer and winter cherry nail art design step by step guide. If you are looking for a fun and flirty nail design to try out this summer, look no further than cherry nails. Cherry nails art is a great way to add some color and whimsy to your look, and they are perfect for any occasion. Cherry nails are a design that never goes out of style, and it's one of the most popular fruit nail design in nail art industry that we know of, because cherry nails are usually painted with classic reds. They can often be quite sophisticated and playful at the same time, perfect for many occasions and fit for the office too. There are so many different ways to create a cherry nail design, and we have gathered some of the best ones for you here. Whether you want a simple design with just one or two cherries, or something more interactive with multiple colors and designs, there is sure to be a cherry nail idea here that you will love. As per usual, most of the nail designers that we have featured in this video from our favorite nail tech on digital world as well. If you see a design that you like, changes are you and make changes according to your will. If you see a design that you like, same copy make at your home comfort with the dotting tool and the acrylic nail polish as well. Alternatively, you can get inspired by the design in this video and recreate them with the help of your local nail tech salon as well. If you are like my video, please do subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching my video.